In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off silent mode on an iPhone 15 series. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and by default we can easily turn on or off silent mode by using that action button located at the left edge of your device. Just long press on it and it will turn on silent mode. We can identify that silent mode turned on by that crossed out bell icon next to time on this top bar. In the same way, by holding action button, we can easily turn silent mode off. However, as you know, starting from iPhone 15, we can configure the function of this action button, so you may have already changed it. And then, if you would like to change it back, or if you would like to configure action button, you can easily do so in settings. That's where we can easily find action button. And that's where we can switch it from silent mode to any other mode. And also that's where we can switch it back. However, if you don't want to use action button to activate silent mode, we can easily activate it from settings. To do that, head over to settings, then tap at sounds and haptics. And that's where we can easily find silent mode, and by tapping at that button we can easily turn it on or turn it off. Also in here we can configure silent mode a bit. Let's say we can configure if we would like to play haptics while we are on a silent mode. If we get into haptics, we'll be able to select always play, play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.